अभी रेस्टोरेशन का काम चल रहा है, रेस्क्यू रेस्टोरेशन का काम चल रहा है। प्रयास रहेगा कल सुबह तक कंप्लीट रेस्टोरेशन का काम हो जाए। ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा कल 10-12 बजे तक काम कंप्लीट होने का प्रयास रहेगा।
News the Truth is reporting from the ground. This is the very track which has been the witness of a massive train tragedy on this Monday morning. जो ट्रेन ट्रेजेडी इस जगह पे हुई है उसको देख के साफ साफ आपको कोरोमंडल एक्सप्रेस की जो ट्रेजेडी है वो दर्शा रहा है, क्योंकि इसी तरीके से ट्रेन ने पीछे की तरफ कोरोमंडल एक्सप्रेस की मारने के बाद और तीसरी ट्रेन से टकराने के बाद बोगी एक दूसरे से सिर्फ टकराया नहीं था, लेकिन उसके बाद वो एक ट्रेन के सर के ऊपर भी चढ़ गया था। और वही दृश्य आपको इधर पे दिखेगा। आप जैसे देख सकते हैं इस जगह पे ये बोगी जो है, जो कांचनजंगा एक्सप्रेस की बोगी है, वो लिटरली ट्रैक से हट के और वो जो मालगाड़ी है, जो गुड्स ट्रेन है, उसके इंजन के ऊपर चढ़ गया है। सो एट द मोमेंट it is the rescue work is on, and the rescue work had been on for very long. I do see the SDRF people, the NDRF people, they are all pressed into action, and they are trying to ensure that people, if trapped inside, they can be rescued at the earliest. At this point in time, this is the bogie, you know, these are the bogies of the goods train which was coming from that side. It was coming from that side, and the railway officials are saying that it had overshot the signal. There are people who are pressed into action, and I you know, if I can find out some eyewitnesses out here and speak to them. Well, the police people out there are trying to ensure that the bogies which have now been removed from the track, they are being cleared from the side, and this track can be relieved. At this point in time, clearing this track means you have to remove that engine first thing first, which has hit the rear part of the Kanchenjunga Express. At the same time, in order to make the tracks operational, even for a rescue train or a relief train to come, the tracks have to be relieved of the clutter which is out here. And you have clutter on both sides because there is a train which has come from that side, and the goods train which has now hit the Kanchenjunga Express, the rear part, that has what created the accident.
और जिला प्रशासन के सभी लोग मिलकर काम कर रहे हैं। अभी रेस्टोरेशन का काम चल रहा है, रेस्क्यू रेस्टोरेशन का काम चल रहा है, और एकदम फोकस्ड वे में बहुत ध्यान से रेस्क्यू और रेस्टोरेशन पे ध्यान देके काम चलना है। और प्रयास रहेगा कल सुबह तक कंप्लीट रेस्टोरेशन का काम हो जाए। ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा कल 10-12 बजे तक काम कंप्लीट होने का प्रयास रहेगा। मैं अभी यहाँ से हॉस्पिटल जाऊँगा, जो अफेक्टेड फैमिलीज हैं उन सबके साथ में।
So how many people have lost their lives? So the railway minister is now leaving the spot, and look at the strength of security forces who are trying to ensure the security cover is there of the railway minister. Now the railway minister is now heading towards the tracks, and I believe he's heading towards the tracks because the road is in a miserable condition. The area where this has happened, over there are barely any roads, so basically this is kind of an interior of the village. And alright, I think he's not going there. He's reversing his car and then would possibly be pushing off from here. So that's railway minister in that car, and he would be leaving from here. But I just want to show you the kind of crowd which is here. Look at the number of police people who have come down out here, mostly from Railway Police Force, RPF, and they have all come down here because the railway minister has come down, and the railway minister wanted to go into the tracks and have a look of the situation. There you see Mr. Ashwini Vaishnav seated at the front. He did not take questions. He only gave a soundbite to one particular agency, and thereafter, so we tried asking the question as what is the status like as far as the rescue and the relief operation is concerned. I just want to give you a sense. I want to give you a sense of the number of police people and the central forces out here trying to ensure that the security of the railway minister is very much protected and the security is intact. So it's a very narrow lane. All the vehicles, the convoy, part of railway minister's convoy, they are all now leaving this very spot and now would be heading towards, not really sure where. It's absolutely cluttered a situation out here. Absolutely cluttered a situation out here. No less than 100 police people and mostly from railway police force, they have come down accompanying the railway minister. Sir, क्या जा पाए ट्रैक तक सर? सर ट्रैक तक जा पाए? वो अंदर गए थे ट्रैक में? हाँ? अंदर गए थे? अच्छा. So the railway minister had gone inside and went up to the tracks, had a look of the situation, and thereafter he left. The night has fallen, but at the same time, these generator gas lights have illuminated the entire area. It has been over 12 hours since this train tragedy has shaken the entire country. For the past 10 to 12 hours, this relief and restoration work had been on. It's been going on a war footing. Right behind me, the goods train, which was so far here on this very track, which had rammed into Kanchenjunga's rear bogies, that goods train has now been removed, minus the engine, which is still stuck on the track. So now removing that engine is a priority so that this track can be relieved. As far as the other mangled bogies of Kanchenjunga Express are concerned, they have been removed from the track. At this point in time, the NDRF, the SDRF, police, railway officials are all pressed into action, and as I said, it's been over 12 hours that the work had been going on a war footing. I can see engineers, technicians, railway officials have all come down. In the afternoon, we have also seen Railway Minister coming down here, West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee, she has also come down to Siliguri, and the governor of the state have also come down. At this point in time, as you see, all these labourers are now trying to go onto the track, and they would be giving their physical labour as far as restoration work is concerned. They are the same labourers who most often than ever travel in a general compartment. These are the labourers who hail from impoverished families and might not be able to afford the luxury of an AC compartment or a reserved compartment. Year after year, we are reporting on such fatal train accidents. If Coromandel train accident on June 2nd, 2023 had claimed more than 200 lives, in the same year, in October 2023, two back-to-back train tragedies had claimed multiple human lives, one in Buxar, the other in Andhra Pradesh. Similarly, there had been other train disasters in other parts of the country, be it in 2022 or be it in 2023. In 2023 itself, on the Bardhaman railway platform, a water tank had collapsed and fallen on passenger, again claiming human lives. And thus, multiple questions have been coming before the railway ministry. While India aspires to have a bullet train, while India aspires to have Vande Bharat, and of course we have Vande Bharat, and aspires to have more fast-running trains, but then when we have to report on such train tragedies, the obvious question then becomes, that begs an answer: how safe are our train tracks? How safe are these tracks for our Indian trains? And what is Railway Ministry doing to improve the customer experience, the passenger experience? Because those who died today, they too were passengers of the same Indian Railways. 8 people have lost their lives. More than 30 people are injured. Some of them have their bodies completely dismembered. They were hoping to reach from one point to another. Sadly, this had been their final journey, and thus questions will be asked. Again I say, while I aspire to have bullet train, fast-running trains, more Vande Bharat, but what about the existing trains? What about the existing tracks? And how many more such train accidents will finally wake us up to make the entire railway system a foolproof one? With camera person Rahul from Rangapani here in Darjeeling district, reporting from the tracks where the accident happened. This is Tamal Shah for News the Truth, NTT.